Bonjour. Hello, hello. Hello, this is the New York Sunset Park. I'm tired. So I came out yesterday to do this little New York video update thing, and I took the camera, but I didn't put in the SD card, so I couldn't film. Yeah, so we're gonna go around New York City. Hello y'all. And I'm just blabbing too much in this video, but you guys, this is a TB. I want to say a TBT, but it's not really a throwback Thursday, but it's definitely a throwback because I filmed this when I was in New York in December, and I just got to it now. I've been so busy with work. I've changed departments. I have a lot more product to process, and I've been super busy. Also taking care of other things and just taking a break from going out, because these things take time. Like, these videos take time to edit. I'm not the best at it, which, you know, hence I should do more, even if it's short, so I get really good. And I just need to form a good habit about filming, editing, and just getting it out there. So sorry, but you know, if you're watching this video now and you're heading to New York, go to those places. It might not be Christmas, but it's still New York, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. Tons of fun. All right. I don't know if you can see me. So yeah, that's a bit. I don't know if you look the home behind, but yeah, I'm not gonna show you anymore because this is not my place. So bye. I'm in downtown Brooklyn. This is Junior's. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And it's cold today, and it's gray. And the other day I got off at this spot and when I check out this Goodwill. Yeah, downtown Brooklyn looks like SF, except there's more development. A lot more development here than SF. A lot more activity. How should I say? More people, students, just people. Like, you know, it's New York City, so there's a lot of people here, so it's very different. It's Hanukkah. There's a big population of Jewish people here, so the whole city celebrates both. Tree. You can see the lights. It is Primark. I guess it's a store, but I'm going this way. So yeah, this area is pretty gentrified. There's tons of development. It's like its own little city, which it is. Brooklyn, it's New York City borough, but each borough is like a city, like a small city. So I finally got to the corner of the Goodwill and it wasn't giving. I thought it was gonna give a lot, but it wasn't. There wasn't that many things. The bags kind of look good, but it's like I don't need any more bags, and they didn't look great. The colors were horrible, so it wasn't for me. So I actually didn't get anything. I usually find good things at Goodwill, but not today. Okay, so I made it to 42nd Street to catch the 7 to go to Hudson Yards. And this is the tunnel, guys. It's so long, and in the summer, oh. Here and it's raining. But that thing is closed anyway, so nobody can get up there right now, which I don't really care. But I'll turn it around so you can see. There you go. There's a lot of people here taking pictures. It's a nice spot. But I'm gonna grab some lunch at this Spanish place. Oh, these are fake trees that grew up, which is great because of the weather. There's a lot of fancy shops here. There's Cartier, but I'm gonna go to the Mercado Español, which is great. I don't think I can go up. Ooh, and it's raining a lot. I have to get out. I just did my hair yesterday. And happy Chanukah! Today is not best to go up. It's raining a lot and it's very cold. So, yeah. This is me. And that's the Russell. And I'm just gonna go grab some lunch, even though I'm not so hungry. But I like Mercado Español here in the mall. So, yeah. NYC is not looking great. It doesn't look great when it rains, unfortunately. That's pretty cute. Okay, so I'm inside now, and tons of shops. When I came back here, there weren't as many shops. And it looks really pretty because it's Christmas or holiday, so they have all the lights up. Oh, very expensive shops here also. There's Dior, Cartier. Seva has a little shop here, and I'm have a little obsession with sunglasses. Which one do you like? Pues hombre, hemos encontrado al Mercado Español aquí. Vamos. Down here they have like 2 sitting restaurants, like you have to make reservations, or you just go and ask for a table, but everything else is pretty much like bar, and like little shops, like little mercaditos inside the market. So if you want patatas bravas, if you want tortilla española, if you want like seafood, so you go to that specific like spot to get that. If you want ice cream, and I'm just trying to figure out what to get. You got cocas, which it's like pizza but like flatbread pizza. If you want churros with chocolate, if you want just bread, just natural fresh juice. So it's patatas bravas, one of my favorites. Seafood, cheese. It's a great place to like go and try a little bit of everything of what is Spaniard cuisine, or like what's more common, I guess, in their cuisine, because I'm pretty sure they eat other stuff other than just other than just tapas and pinchos and etc. Yeah, I had a calimocho. Don't waste your time. A calimocho, it's wine and soda, which it's pretty much like sangria. It's like a peasant drink. Like if you don't have anything to drink, you mix it, and that's what it is. So this will be the end of my video. Thanks so much for tuning in. So sorry that this takes so long, and this is actually from Christmas in December, but at least some good spots that you can still go and have a good time. It isn't Christmas, but it's okay. Those places are still there and still really fun to go to and check out. Bye bye. Stay tuned.